Finally got some microphones. Got the Hollyland Lark A1s. These are wireless lavalier microphones. These are duos, so you get two of them, so you could pair it with somebody and you could use it on your phone. I got the Type-C version. My Pixel 9 Pro XL was my main camera, unfortunately. But this should work with my phone, no problem. I saw good reviews on these, and a YouTuber that I watched did a review on these. Or not a review, but he like showed them off and showed their microphone, and they sounded great. So I wanted to give them a try, and I really wanted some actual microphones instead of, you know, the microphone built into my phone, which has been working fine for the last probably year or now, or probably the next few months, because I just got this one. But yeah, so we're going to take a look at them. I'm just going to show you how the sound quality is, and you can tell in comparison to my actual Pixel 9 Pro XL's audio quality from now. And then when I plug these in, I'll show you how they sound and stuff like that. So I'll just go ahead and open these up. I'm just going to use a pen because I don't have a knife on me, and it actually worked really well. I'm not going to give you guys a price or anything, but these are actually really good for the price, at least from the video I watched. They're pretty affordable too, so if you want something for even just TikTok, it'll literally work perfectly fine. So right out of the bat, we got a QR code. You got mic mode. So to ensure optimal performance, position the mic with the microphone facing upward. So the microphone has to be at the top, which is obvious. Here we got a little card. If I open this up, some different stuff. This also shows what you get. You actually get quite a bit. So these will be really good for like traveling if I ever do like vlogs and stuff, which maybe. Got a little card, appliance sheets. This is all the packing list you got. Little quick guide. Kind of tells you how to use it and stuff. I'm pretty sure I can manage. Here we got a little carrying case. This is actually really nice. Those are the little snack for later. Yeah, carrying case is nice. So we got the actual USB-C interface, which you can charge your device at the same time. So there is that. Here are the actual microphones with a little charging case, I believe. Your charging cable, which I believe is just Type-C, which I don't think I'll need. I have a bunch of Type-C cables laying around. I don't need Type-C. I got plenty of those. These are the little pom-poms, I call them. They go around your microphone to help with wind. I don't think I'll need those. I don't plan to use them outside anytime soon. But yeah, so here are the actual microphones. I can go ahead and open this up. And it looks like you can actually charge the charging stand, which is nice. I might just leave this at my desk plugged in, but these are the actual microphones. It looks like this is the microphone, so I'd want... Oh, it's magnetic. Okay. I actually have another pair of these, and I did do a video on something like these. If you want to check it out, it'll be up in the cards now. I didn't really like them. The microphone quality just wasn't as good as I was hoping, but I'm hoping these will be a little bit better. It's like that's the power button. Looks like they have power. But yeah, there's no Type-C port on these, so you will have to charge them using your charging stand, which if we actually remove these, piece of stickiness to protect the contacts so they don't charge. I don't think this has a battery built in, so this charging stand you might just want to leave plugged in so you can plug in your microphones to make sure they're fully charged. But here's the actual microphone. I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up to my shirt. I don't think I'm going to use the little pop filters because I don't think I really need it right now. I don't really feel it or anything, so that's a good sign. Here's the actual interface. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, swap the microphone, and I'll tell you how they sound. All right, so I believe I have one connected. I don't know how it's gonna sound. I haven't listened to these yet. I'll probably grab my headphones and tell you after I listen to them myself, but so far they're pretty decent quality, decent build quality, especially the actual microphone itself. It's small and it's compact, so this will be really good to take with you. And the nice thing about this is it does come with a carrying case, so you can put this in your carrying case with the actual receiver, and you can take them to go with you and take the charger with you, but I have Type-C cables laying around. I don't tend to open these. So yeah, let me turn the camera around. I will listen to the sound and tell you how they sound. Well, they're different. I can tell you that right now. This is how it looks on my shirt. I'm just wearing a little Call of Duty Ghost shirt, but that's how it looks. And if I get close to it, you can hear me talk a little closer. They're comfortable. I don't even feel it on my shirt, so recording like long video sessions of whatever I'm actually doing, I probably won't even notice, to be honest with you. They're really decent quality, especially for the price. Like I said, I'm not gonna say the price because prices change all the time. I don't really see a point in pointing out the price, but if you guys want something decent, I highly recommend these. These are pretty decent quality for especially for the price you're paying. They're affordable. They sound really good. There's less echo, especially in this room where there's no paneling. I kind of want to put some panels up here for my recording. They're really not that bad, so if you guys want to check them out, there will be a link in the description below for you to buy them, and let me know what you guys think of them in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see for, you know, reviews on products, software. I can do some software videos. I haven't done those in a while. I will see you guys in the next video. Like if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. See you guys next video, and peace out.